this is how it looks after the wrap in front. Pretty, right? So let's continue with day 14. So let's complete it from the right side today, left side actually. So let's complete the whole wrapping on the left side. We start with the fenders and the claddings and all. This one should be easy. And these claddings I've done already, and I'll just do the doors, this side mirror. This is going to be a tricky part, this drip rail, because I'll have to sand it properly, then do it, and then we'll go to the back. So this right here is where I fill up the putty. So I need to sand it first, do it, make it properly smooth, and once that is done, only then I can start wrapping on this side. So this is going to be a bit tricky, so let's do it. So we have prepped the fender and it is nice and ready to be wrapped now. So let's do it. Here it is, our fender is done and looking nice and pretty. Next is the door. But before that, I want to paint this one black. So I'll just clean it first and then maybe paint it black, the footrest. For the mirror. Before wrapping the doors, I need to take off the door handles. So I'll do it in a bit. take a glimpse. Ta-da. So we actually had 15 days, not even 20 days, and today also actually there's very less time, honestly, but yeah, I'm trying to finish it. Hopefully we'll finish it. So I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.